All right, so today's project on Gus the Crunchy Bus has to deal with the seats. We've tidied up the passenger side. This is the driver's seat, and as you can see, it is sat exposed to all kinds of elements over the years. Lots of scuffs and dirt and grime kind of embedded throughout the vinyl, so we're going to do some cleaning. I did a little wiping on this corner already, and you can notice the difference, but we'll see how we do with this project. We're going to leave the seats the way they are. Rustic would be a way to define it. And here's what we're going to use today. We are going to use some dish soap, a soft brush, some simple green, coarse paper towel, and the magic eraser. We're going to try that on some of the scuffs, and of course some water. So I don't think normally you'd ever really want to use a degreaser on vinyl, but for an old used up seat like this that we're just trying to kind of save and stop it from smelling so badly and get some soiling out, I think a degreaser is a-okay for this project. All right, let's see how we do. All right, so if you take a look at the side I did here, this is with a layer of simple green scrubbing all ways, and then I used a little bit of just Dawn dish detergent, and you can see like they're still staining, but it's really easy to notice the difference, all the dirt and grime that's come out. I haven't used any of the VLR vinyl treatment yet. We'll do a little bit on here, and we'll see if that continues to clean or tidy it up some more. All right, so now we're halfway through this seat. We've done the back side, and we've done the seat cushion part. Now we're going to do the back component using the same technique of some simple green followed by dish detergent, and we'll finish it up with some Mother's VLR. Let's have a look. Okay, so there we are washed now. And if you look at the earlier part of the video, it's certainly a little bit cleaner. We'll put a picture up in a moment, but let's try using that Mother's VLR and see if we even get more originality back. All right, so here's an update. We now have the seats back into the bus. They turned out actually really well considering how soiled these were and how damaged they were. In fact, there's even a little bit of softness to the vinyl and even squeaking right now. So definitely the simple green cut through the heavy grease and the soiling, as the windows were down on this bus for a long time. And then the Dawn dish detergent really lifted out some of the lighter stains. And then we treated them, and you know what, this will do the job for this bus for right now. We'll throw some seat covers on it, and we'll consider this job finished. All right, so that's an update on Gus the Crunchy Bus. Thanks a lot for watching.